It is very important for everyone that their profession is highly paid because this will be the #1 motivation for further career growth. Yes, you can truly love your job, and it's good to monetize even something that doesn't bring much income to many. However, this video may help you find yourself. To your attention, 5 highest paying jobs for recent years. 1. Interior designer. Interior design can be an excellent career choice for anyone with a passion for aesthetics. Interior designers create functional and visually appealing spaces for clients, including residential, commercial, and hospitality environments. Their responsibilities include selecting furniture, materials, color schemes, and lighting arrangements to enhance the overall look and feel of a space. Successful interior designers can earn substantial incomes through big project fees and commissions. Additionally, specializing in high-end residential or luxury commercial projects can lead to higher-paying opportunities. The salary can vary based on factors such as experience, location, clientele, and reputation within the industry. If you really enjoy designing, creating something unique for people, then go for it. You can now even be an interior designer online. 2. Dentist. Dentists can specialize in various fields such as orthodontics or oral surgery and earn substantial incomes due to the demand for dental care. Yes, this profession may seem a bit nasty and very difficult to some, but nevertheless, it has become much easier to learn everything these days. And in general, you will always have clients because almost everyone has oral health issues, and there will be even more. 3. Software developer. Software developers and engineers design, develop, and maintain software apps and systems. With the continued growth of the technology sector, their skills are highly valued and well compensated. Yes, there is a lot of competition in this industry now, but nevertheless, demand is also growing. Try to start with easier small projects to gain experience, and then you can move to new levels together with the team, thereby earning more. 4. Actuary. Actuaries use mathematical and statistical methods to assess and manage risks for insurance companies, financial institutions, and other organizations. Their work involves analyzing data, predicting future events, and determining insurance premiums. Actuaries often earn high salaries due to the specialized knowledge and skills required. 5. Investment banker. Investment bankers facilitate financial transactions, mergers, and acquisitions for clients. Their work involves advising on complex financial deals, leading to significant compensation. In order to earn the maximum in this industry, you must become just the perfect specialist in all matters related to money.